Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel or our channel. I keep saying mine, but it's our channel. The family's, our kitchen as well, I should be saying. So, as you can see, we have an array of things here. The principal thing is that we are going to be making a dal dish. So this is something that Mum used to make in winters especially. So what we have here is a mixture of two daals, a red split one and the brown one, the mung dal. So that's going to form the main part of it. So we have onions, we have tomatoes, we have chilies, chili flakes, garlic, and ginger, which, as we keep telling you, we freeze and put it into the dish. So what it's going to be is that's going to be cooked, and then we're going to create a tarka, and the tarka is going to form the green chilies, garlic, eggs, and chili flakes, and the spices. Okay, so as always, we start off with some oil that is in here. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of oil have been placed there. Okay, so 2 onions have been finely chopped, and they will go in first, and we will soften those. And the next ingredient after this is going to be the tomatoes. Okay, and give that a good stir. Okay, we're adding the tomatoes in now. Once they've softened, then we will add the ginger and the garlic paste. Yep. Okay. And the chilies as well. Okay. Okay, we're going to add the masalas there, small amount. So what we have to remember is that the tarka is also going to have the masalas. Okay. So we had turmeric, we had chili, and we've got salt. All round about a teaspoon, and garam masala. We'll put a little bit of garam masala in as well. Okay, so the next thing to do is to add the dal and give that a real good mix. So as you say, this is 2 daals. You can have more than 2 if you so wish. Okay, viewers, that's mixed in well and cooked a little bit, but obviously not enough to eat. So that is our cup size. As you can see, it's fairly large, and we are going to put in around about 4 cups. So the measurement that is there is 2 cups. So you need to make sure that it all soaks into it. Okay, and 2 more. Okay, so can we give that a good mix? Okay, so we're going to transfer that to another ring and put it on at a very high flame. Okay, so that's on a high flame, and we're going to cover that and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So as you can see, the dal is cooking away there, and we're going to create the tarka in the pan. So we're going to put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, can we put the ingredients in, please? Okay, so what we have here is green chilies. Okay. And then we've got some cloves of garlic, round about 12, so cut those in half. Okay, so into the tarka we're also going to put the masalas because you know, in the main dal we didn't put enough. So we've put some garam masala, some chilies, turmeric, and just some salt going in. And can we put the chili flakes in as well, please? Always a good idea to put some water in, because otherwise it'll stick. Sorry, burn. The spices will burn. Okay, let that sizzle a little bit, and then for my, what can we say, favourite thing, unusual thing that goes in the tarka, it's going to be boiled eggs. Okay, so we're going to sort of fry that really. So these are boiled eggs. You don't have to have this, but something that reminds me of my childhood. I think it was Mum's way of making us eat eggs. The aroma of this, guys, it really makes you sneeze, so you need to be careful. So let the masalas get into the eggs. So we're cooking this for about 6 minutes. Get the tarka ready. So we're just checking on the dal, and it was sticking, so we're going to add a little bit more water and cook it for a little bit longer. So we've made a very large portion again, so this is for 9 people, so obviously you have to do it as per taste. So we've got the dal cooking over there and the tarka over here. Okay viewers, that's cooked nicely. Can we put the tarka on? And there we have it. Okay, give that a good mix. That is a lovely, 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 what we call double daal. Okay, can we garnish that a little bit, please? Okay, that is the final thing. We are going to garnish with coriander and fenugreek. There we have it. That is it, viewers. We're going to turn that off and hopefully have it with either chapatis, and you can also of course have it with rice. Okay, once again viewers, that is the end product, so I do hope you're going to try it. I mean, we like it quite thin, but if you don't like it thin, then obviously less water. Okay, it just remains for me to say thank you. It just remains for me to say please share the video with all your friends on social media, whether it's WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, or whatever it is that you use. Until the next time, I say thank you once again. Look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. Allah Hafiz.